Good morning, students. My name is Sabah and I am your SST teacher. Welcome in class 5th. Children, we are starting from lesson number 1, the globe, a model of the earth. Dear student, in this chapter, we are going to study about the shape of the earth, the globe, latitudes and longitudes, and the global grid. So, starting with the chapter, our first topic is the shape of the earth. The earth, as you know, is round. But when you look around you, जब हम अपने आसपास देखते हैं तो हमें अर्थ कैसी नजर आती है? Flat. Like, in fact, long ago, everyone believed that the earth was flat. They believed that if we travel to the edges means ये sides. If we travel to the edges, we would fall off. Earth appears flat to us. Earth हमें flat नजर आती है because the earth is so much bigger than us. We can only see short distances at a time to see the curving face. These are the curving face. To see the curving surface of the earth, you would have to climb very high into the sky. For example, if you were to fly into the sky in a rocket, you would soon to be able to see the earth curving away into the distances. अगर आपको अर्थ के ये कर्विंग सरफेसेस को देखना है तो आपको क्या करना है? हमें बहुत स्काई पे बहुत ऊंचाई तक जाना है जिससे कि हमें ये अर्थ का कर्विंग सरफेस हम इसको देख सकें. The large size of the earth make it difficult for us to study as a whole. इतनी बड़ी अर्थ की हम स्टडी इतनी इजीली नहीं कर सकते. So geographers have developed different means of representing the earth on a smaller scale to make it study easy. Two important tools that we use for this purpose are globes and maps. Next topic is the globe. You can see the picture of globe. In simple word, globe is the model of the earth. A globe is an exact model of the earth showing the correct shape and location of the continents, oceans and seas on a smaller scale. It shows the shape and location of the continents and oceans. Different places too can be located on a globe. Continents means a large area of land surrounded by water. There are 7 continents. You can see in this picture there are 7 continents. North America, Europe, Asia, and Asia is the largest continent of the world and India is also a part of Asia. South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. You know students, Asia is the largest continent of the world and Australia is the smallest continent in the, as you can see in this map, the Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Oceans. Large water bodies that separate the continents are called oceans. There are 5 major oceans in the world: the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. You can see in this map, this is Arctic Ocean and the next ocean is Atlantic Ocean. ये सारा part जो है ये Atlantic Ocean. You can see here it is a part of Indian Ocean and here it is a Pacific Ocean and here it's a Pacific Ocean and it is, you can see here, Antarctic Ocean. In this picture, this is our earth and this is an imaginary line around which earth rotates. It's called axis. The axis of the globe has 2 end points called the poles. The one at the top called the North Pole, and one at the bottom is called South Pole. Midway between the poles is an imaginary line encircling the earth which is called the equator. You can see in this picture, or the great circle, and this line divides the earth into two equal halves. दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है अर्थ को. द नॉर्थ, दिस इज नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड दिस इज सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज लैटिट्यूड्स एंड longitudes. Number 1, latitudes. The full horizontal circles are called latitudes or parallels as they are drawn parallel to the equator. You can see in this picture, this is a equator line and the latitudes are parallel to the equator. These lines are called latitudes. These are the horizontal lines and these are the vertical lines. Features of latitude. The length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. Number 2, the North Pole and the South Pole are the points. The North Pole and the South Pole are the two. The parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. You can see in this picture, there is an equal distance between the parallels. सबके बीच में equal distance है. You can see in this picture. Some important latitudes are, you can see in this picture, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. There are 180 degree of latitudes in all. There are 90 degree latitudes, 90 degree of latitudes in the northern hemisphere. ये हमारा northern hemisphere है and this part is southern hemisphere. Equator is divided the earth into two equal halves. This half is known as northern hemisphere and this half is known as southern hemisphere. So there are 90 degree, you can see here 90 degree of latitudes in the northern hemisphere and 90 degree of the latitude in the southern hemisphere. Next topic is longitudes or meridians. These vertical lines, you can see in this picture, these vertical lines are semicircle. You can see the globe. Some lines are horizontal in the globe and some lines are vertical in the globe. So horizontal lines are known as latitude and vertical lines are known as longitudes. In this picture, these vertical lines are semicircle. Semicircle में है ये सारी lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. North से South की तरफ line आ रही है, आप देख सकते हैं. They are of the same length. सबकी जो length है वो एक जैसी है. The distance between two meridians is maximum at the equator. देखिए equator. The distance between two meridians, these are the longitudes and it is also known as meridians. The distance between two meridians is maximum at the equator. जैसे जैसे ये नीचे की तरफ आती है equator की तरफ, वैसे वैसे इनकी जो डिस्टेंस होता है वो मैक्सिमम होता रहता है, बढ़ता रहता है एंड कीप ऑन डिक्रीजिंग एट मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द पोल. और जैसे जैसे पोल की तरफ जाते हैं वैसा इसका डिस्टेंस जो है वो डिक्रीज होता जाता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द मेरिडियंस कट द पैरेलल 90 degree and help us to measure distances in the east-west direction. Next point, there are 360 meridians of longitude drawn at an interval of 1. The prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. You can see in this picture 180 meridians are to the east of the prime meridian. Prime meridian के east 180 meridians are marked with E, and 180 meridians are to the west of the prime meridian and are marked with the capital W. The 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line and is also referred as the international date line. Last topic is global grid. You can see the picture of Earth. Some lines are vertical, you can see here, and some lines are horizontal. The horizontal lines are known as latitude and the vertical lines are known as longitudes or meridians. The latitudes and the longitudes form from a network of lines or a grid on the globe and help us in locating place accurately on the global grid. Student, the chapter is completed. Go through and revise. I will provide the worksheet tomorrow.